Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, my name is Suresh and you are watching Suresh Talks English channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please support me by hitting that subscribe button. And if you like my content, please give it a like and share with your friends and family. Alright friends, so today I hope you are doing great today, because in this video I am going to share a very effective way to enhance your English. If you apply this method, if you use this method, your English will improve faster than you think, guys. So in this video I am going to share how exactly and effective way I used ChatGPT to get my fluency or to speak good English. So please watch this video till the end. I'm gonna share step-by-step process. So alright friends, without further delay, let's dive into the topic. So when I was completely beginner in English, at that moment I felt that I needed someone who are expert in English, who speak fluent English, so that I can talk with him and improve my English, and at the same time get feedback and get valuable feedback. But trust me guys, you may think like that. I'm sure you may also think like that, but trust me, we have all the resources with us, but we don't know how to use that in a precise manner to get our fluency or to improve our English. So my dear friends, in this video I'm going to share how exactly we can use ChatGPT to get fluency and to become a fluent speaker faster than we think. So when I was, like I said earlier, when I was completely beginner in English language, I learned grammar, and especially I learned how to frame the sentences in English in an order wise. First we place subject, then followed by verb and followed by object. So once I learned that grammar rules, then I started making that sentences in English. So by seeing my surroundings, by seeing my background and surroundings, I started making the sentences in English. But I'm not sure whether I'm making that sentence grammatically correct or not. I have that doubt. I had that doubt in my, back in my head. So I used ChatGPT. I used ChatGPT to, to correct my sentences. So I use ChatGPT to correct my sentences. So every day I used to go to ChatGPT, and whatever I see around, I try to describe that in English. Simply I go to ChatGPT and I started describing in English. So I used to describe that, and ChatGPT would give me instant feedback, and that helped me a lot. So that helped me to realize where I'm lacking or where I need to improve. So I used to did for 3 months, and I improved my frame the sentences in English. And second thing guys, so whenever we came across new words, we just Google it. But what I did, whenever I came across any new word, so I used to go to ChatGPT, and not only I asked the meaning of that word, I also would ask what is that word in parts of speech, and at the same time I would ask how can I use that word in my real life conversations. So that's how I enhance my vocabularies. So every day I used to go to ChatGPT and ask all these things. And third thing is that guys, I used to have a conversation with ChatGPT. It really fantastic guys. So if you are not doing this, please do it, because it effectively improve your English. So just go to ChatGPT and start conversation with ChatGPT. So say hi, hello. Start with the basic sentences. Say hi, hello. How's the weather today here? Ask anything, and ask how would improve your English language. Likewise, ask if you have any questions. Ask to ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT to give some topics, so you can speak on the topics, and ChatGPT would listen to you, and it will give you instant feedback. Remember one thing here, ChatGPT is not a human being, so it cannot judge you. So please do, if you have that fear of judge in your head, please remove that. So feel free to talk with ChatGPT. It will help you tremendously, guys. Trust me, I have been there, and that's why I'm recommending you to do this. And another way to improve your English language is that narrating the story to ChatGPT. So take any small or medium stories from Google and read it and understand it, and then go to ChatGPT and narrate that story to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT would listen to you, and it will give you feedback as well. And it also give you that where you need to improve your narrating skill. So if you narrate story to the ChatGPT, your storytelling skill will improve, and that is most important thing, guys. So if you have that storytelling skill, that's it. So you can speak like a pro speaker. You can speak like a good communicator, pro communicator. You will become like that. So whatever I have recommended here, so please make sure to follow and improve your English. It will help you tremendously. It will help you faster than we think, guys. For the last 3-4 months, I used ChatGPT to enhance my English, and now I'm speaking this much of English. So just any stories and go to ChatGPT and narrate the story to you. Or if you have someone who speak fluent in English, you can also speak with them. But you may have that, if you narrate this story to your friends, you may have that fear, what if he judge, he may laugh, what if he may laugh. So that thought will discourage you, that thought will disappoint you. So if you practice with ChatGPT, it will never judge you and it will never laugh at you. So please use that technique and improve your English. So guys, that's all for today's video. And if you like my video, please give it a like and share with your friends and family. And at the same time, all the best for your speaking journey, and see you in the next video, guys. Until then, bye bye.